Check it out, y'all. Whoa, I don't know if I should pull in. Oh well, fuck it. We are at the Aston Martin dealership. These guys know I cannot afford this shit. Holy fuck. Where's the customer parking? Guest parking, there we go. Look at this, y'all. Whoa. Okay, check it out. So I just got permission from Joey with Aston Martin at Newport Beach / Newport Coast. The address kind of weird. But yeah, he just gave me permission to take as many pictures, videos as I want. There's a Voigtsteiner McLaren 720S sitting dead in front of me. There's about 30 Aston Martin Vantages. Oh my God, man, I'm in car lover heaven. Holy shit. Woo! Check it out. Protective Film Solutions. Y'all might know them from DDE, Daily Driven Exotics. Check out the carbon fiber. Oh my God. Woo! This shit is beautiful. It's the McClizzy. Yes, sir.
Number 3.
Oh God. Damn. Y'all, this is absolutely amazing. Wow. This is probably somebody's car. Bro, look at the brakes on every supercar that I've seen today. The brakes have been absolutely like huge. Ridiculous. Check it out, y'all. Woo! We got a 2008 Aston Martin DB9 V12 engine. Absolutely beautiful, man. You gotta love the old Astons as much as you love the new ones. Oh, let's take it over to this one. The Super Leggera DBS. Okay, check it out. Woo! Oh my God, I don't know who that is. Beautiful.
There's no point in having the back seat though.
Which one is this? DB11 AMR Coupe. Okay. I might need one of these. I don't like nobody in my car anyway. I don't need a back seat. Woo! Oh my goodness, man. They're all over the place. All right, so due to the mirror incident, I missed PML Quickstrike, but we're making it up. We've got the Aston Martins all over. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Already showed you the McLaren Voigtsteiner 720S. I'm about to walk inside in a minute after I record a couple more cars and show y'all the ones in there. He said they got some really special ones, so hopefully he gives me a little tour type of thing, and we'll see how it goes. They're going absolutely crazy over there.
That green.
Yeah. Look, you see the dash? It's all like suede. I think this is suede, or it might be leather. The Alcantara leather. I don't know what it's like. I never felt it, but I want to. I want it on all my cars. It's beautiful. Oh damn, can't really see.
It's still good.
Check him out. Check him out. Aston Martin. Boom, 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 boom.
That's pretty.
Beautiful. I know I gotta get the yellow. Woo! Oh my goodness. Let me not get the paperwork in the video. I don't need no shit going on. Woo! Come on now. Yes, sir. I think I need one of them. Yep. You dig? Check it out, y'all. Got a Vanquish here. Carbon fiber front splitter. Carbon fiber vents. Boom.
This bulges out quite a bit. Yeah, so instead of
This is a vintage coupe. I'm guessing it's the 59th anniversary. Check out the spec on it.
is open right here.
Oh my goodness. The brake calipers.
Oh gosh.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
But the wrap actually held really well. Oh, right. For a year, yeah.
Look at this orange. Wow. You see the pearl in the paint? Oh my god. Yo, this camera does not do the paint justice. This is absolutely beautiful. Whew. Look at their gears. What a park reverse, neutral drive. They don't have a gearbox. They got buttons. I guess that's how you save weight. Hard. Check it out. We got a DB11. Oh my goodness. Look at the convertible. Got the drop top. Ooh, look. Speaker right there. That's hard. Check out the headrest. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, man. This is just... I am in heaven right now, y'all. Y'all have no idea. I am in absolute heaven. Doing pretty good. Check him out. Check him out. Oh, that's Ford's carbon emblem. Come on now. What? Whoa. Holy shit. Alright, this one. It is a Superleggera Volante 2020 drop. Look at the leather. Oh my god. Is this hand stitched? If you guys know, just tell me, is this hand stitched leather? This is so beautiful. Holy shit. Oh my god. Ooh. Look at the steering wheel. Check out this interior. Oh my goodness, look at the dashboard. What? Crazy. Sheesh. We got a Lamborghini Urus outside. Where's it at? There we go. Boom. Look at this one. Other than the orange, this is probably the sexiest one in here. Holy shit. Look at the brake lights.
And apparently
That's trippy.
is as close to an F1 car as you can get.
Oh my goodness.
That open wheel and all in the seating
Beautiful.
position where it's like you're sitting on the floor. Yeah, does that have a squared off steering wheel? Like I'm sure because of our Hollow.
Check it out.
Yeah,
Boom.
so we'll see. I think
What's the top speed? 240. Oh my goodness. There is seriously. Why does Aston Martin make a back seat? What's the point of this? Just make a bigger engine or something like that. Wow. It's beautiful. It's a Z. Y'all know how I feel about Z's. Yo, good morning, y'all. All right, so it has officially been 1 week since the PML Quickstrike video and the Aston Martin Dealership video, which is the one that you're watching right now. But I forgot to make an outro, so so this is gonna be the outro. PML Quickstrike, the first half was great. Second half was cool because I didn't see it, so But yeah, my mirror's still broke, which is amazing. I was supposed to get it fixed yesterday, wasn't there, so I should be getting it fixed today. Hopefully I do. I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but PML Quickstrike was cool. The Aston Martin dealership, that shit was like heaven. All right, like, subscribe, follow my Instagram at DripChip. It's the same as the channel, so I mean it shouldn't be that damn hard to find. But yeah, I'll see y'all at the next video, man. Stay up.